Hi there, Andy from Brisbane Web Marketing. I'm going to try and take you through the restaurant booking demo site in 5 minutes or under. So you will have come to your URL at the top here, your own branded URL on local.au.mobi or local.nz if you're in New Zealand, and you'll be at the login screen here for your own personal admin area. You can have your company logo down here, and you'll basically enter your username and password and log into the admin area. The first thing you'll see is the scans and codes that you've got active at the moment. So these are my postcard ones, which you may well have seen. Couple of scans today, and what you'll be able to do is manage reservations and view reports from here on all the codes that you've got out there. You'll probably be only using a couple, maybe some on some tabletop advertising in your restaurant, and possibly in some promotional material out and about, and flyers, etc. But we can discuss ways you can market the QR codes to get customers on your list. So you've got your main screen here, and we'll just go through some of the things that we would set up for you, or you would set up with our help. The about is the information about your business. So of course this one, being the demo site, is information about our business, but you'd put some information about your restaurant in here, and maybe a lovely photo and contact details. And what that does is, when people go to your site, here's an iPhone emulator, this is your about page, which will appear on their phone. So there you go, see how those two match up. Welcome to our demonstration, welcome to our demonstration. So this is where you'd put information that they would see about your restaurant on their phone when they first land on the site. And there you go, all there. Just go back to the start page, and so this is the phone version. We'll just push that aside for a second and carry on going through your admin area, which will be on your PC or your business computer in your restaurant. So the about screen and other stuff you'll put in there is your location. Let's say you have a few branches of your restaurant, then customers are able to choose which branch they want to make a reservation at, but we'll go through the phone section in the next short video. This is the desktop section continuing. So you've got location information for your restaurant that actually shows up on Google Maps listings on their phone, which is tied into your website, what they see. So you've got the location. Policy is important. This is where they can unsubscribe if they've opted in to receive future messaging from you, legal requirement. But you can also add a bit more marketing info, as I've done here on the unsubscribe or policy page that appears on their mobile phone. QR codes, this is where you set up your and create your QR codes that you'll use for marketing. So here's the one that I've got on the postcard I created here, and there's the code there, which you can copy the image of and use in your marketing. So you can create QR codes here which link to various locations, your restaurant, different locations, and things like that. QR code overlay is just another way of doing the QR code. If you actually have some printed material and you've got a template on your computer, you can actually put a QR code into that material just by selecting here's the image, upload image, where you would go and browse to your template that you might have created, and then you'd be able to superimpose a QR code on top of that. Okay, so that's the about section. Forgive me if I'm moving quickly here. I've got about 40 seconds left, so I think we're going to have to make this video a bit longer and go through in sections. Yep, we'll do the menu in the next video. Thanks for watching. Be back soon.